everybody knows everybody. You say, oh, I was talking to a nice young lady, and then somebody, if you were a Bude person, you know her.
Mum and Dad.
Trish's been here all her life. I've been together 32 years, and after I've been here 32 years, it was total assistance in the way we live. I mean, we've got a big house off our Manchester centre, and sometimes I forget to lock the front door at night.
About an hour west, outside of Oakhampton, there is a seaside town of Bude, Cornwall. I went to see my friend there, who works in a former public housing estate. They had evicted inhabitants because it was no longer deemed livable. He moved in his materials so that he could paint there. When I went to see him, he was starting a new series and was finding it difficult to begin. I watched as he rearranged the space over and over. His form of procrastination was to perfect the objects around him. In another demolished site, construction works are paused, progress is abandoned. This is a display by the mismatched materials cut to fit into gaps. This one was intentionally undressed. Memory is represented in the broken contours of a stripped building. Though dejected, the space remains its previous personality. In the gaping holes where windows or walls should be, you can see the green grass and grey sky. The landscape and natural environment of Bude persists. He continues to rearrange, restructure the books and the plants so that the light hits the green leaves. This next image looks irrelevant, I know, but these are all rearrangements. Here is the table. The table is deconstructed. Something recognizable is decontextualized. Through isolating the components, the universal and recognizable table with all its personal associations is lost. But through recognition, meaning is regained. Even when the function is gone, spaces retain their meaning.